So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to archive in Microsoft Planner. So there's a few ways you can do this. There isn't an actual archive button, but you will see straight away if you go through My Day, you'll see how it will look, so how many tasks you will have. And from tasks, you can see once you go with that, it's going to be taken from not started to completed. So you will see the option on there. You can also see pinned plans. So let's talk about that a bit. So if you have a couple of plans on here, you can just go ahead and pin them. Once you pin that plan, it's going to appear on here. So I highly suggest that you use for tasks that or plans that have not yet been completed, or you don't want to archive them right now, to keep them in the pinned column while you unpin those plans. And you can also do something to the sort of clicking on here, renaming this, and you can just add something to remind you that this is done. So let's just type in archive and then put in some slash and or hyphen, and from there you can save it and unpin it, so you know that you've done everything you want to do with that plan and it's ready to be archived. So there's a few ways that you can work around archiving, since there isn't a real archive button for all of these plans that you have. You can just complete all the tasks, or you can even create a bucket. So we're gonna just go through there and you can see completed, and you can even add a new bucket, call it archive, and then just put in all the tasks that are ready to be archived. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Microsoft Planner or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.